I have spent hours and hours reading and watching interviews of John Mayer. I want to be a better songwriter, and to become a better songwriter, you have to write songs. Can I write a song using John Mayer's songwriting advice? I decided that I wanted to start with something practical, something that might get the creative juices flowing, and in this interview with Zane Lowe, he demonstrates this exercise that he sometimes does.
And yet in process like that, you're like a different human being.
And just stare at the corner of the wall. Stare at the corner of the wall. Try to get it going on, but I can't corner. You just keep going till you get something. And if you can get fearless.
He's
just freestyling, he's just basically just playing and singing, he's just letting whatever wants to come out, come out. I think this could be the perfect exercise for me to start writing my song.
Getting out of the window, I see what I see. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give it a try and see. Yeah, you look like you want to bugger off straight away, don't you? You look like you want to go. Sitting on the couch with my best friend, sitting on the couch with you, but you look like you wanna go. I knew it, you little sod.
Everything that I came out with sounded, and more importantly, felt terrible. Rather than repeating the same things over and over again, especially if they're not working, the best thing you can do is take a step back, take the dog out for a walk. And for me, I just really wanted to think about why this exercise wasn't working for me. I seem to have been approaching this exercise like it was going to just magically result in a song just kind of falling out of me onto a blank page, which really isn't likely. But that also doesn't appear to be how John Mayer is using the exercise either. Now I'm speculating here because obviously I have no actual clue, but it appears like John Mayer is using this as an exercise to generate ideas, whereas I've been using it as the tool to actually try and write the song. So I've been trying to start from a blank page like that, and it's just not going to yield any results. So what this says to me is, I'm missing a vital ingredient. I need to start with an idea. And this is when I found this interview where he talks a lot about ideas.
Whenever I want to write a big song, I can't. A big song meaning spatial. I want to write about outer space. I want to write about the
big concept.
The huge, glacially large space inside of the heart when it misses and this and that.
Got it.
And that's when I get writer's block, because I try to put basically a song to fill the entire galaxy. And I've never gotten a song that way. But if I write a song about something the size of a glass of water and I do it right, I notice a week later it's got the universe in it, right?
This metaphor about writing something about something as simple as a glass of water and then later finding that there's more meaning inside of that glass of water was it gave me a big confidence boost, because it made me think, I don't need to think of these big ideas. I can try and come up with a simple idea. Now, I actually think that this has an added bonus to it, because if you manage to come up with something, an idea for a song that really is so simple that it could be universally understood, it could potentially connect with more people, which could only make your song better. Now, this did give me this little boost in confidence that I was quite confident I would be able to come up with an idea. But, I really did need to just find an idea and get started actually writing a song. Sometimes you just need to take a step back, take the dog out for a walk. And this is when it finally happened. I had an idea. I think everyone can relate to that feeling of just not being able to sleep. I haven't slept very well the past couple of days, and over half I haven't slept at all. I know it's something really simple, but it's just something I can't seem to get out of my head. Now, this idea already feels like it has potential, and the reason why I think that is because it's only been about half an hour since I actually had the idea, and I can already almost visualise, picture what the song is going to turn out like. So the goal now is to use the skills that I have and the knowledge that I have to try and craft this idea into a song. Shit, I'm running late, I've got to go to work. Right now, I feel so inspired and I just want to sit down and start writing this song. I've decided whilst I'm out in the car, I'm going to try this John Mayer Fearless exercise again. Now, obviously, I'm going to be doing it very differently. For starters, I can't play guitar while driving. The fact that I've had an idea might help me to start coming up with some lyrics and some lyric ideas. Just in a traffic jam at the moment, so I don't mind making this video. The idea is, been a long day and I'm so tired. It's hard to stay awake. There's no more fuel in this fire. It's been a long day and I'm so tired. It's hard to stay awake when there's no fuel in this fire. And I can't wait to get my head down. Right, I've just pulled in because I've just been doing the same thing, but to try and come up with a chorus. And I've got this idea. Can't put out the fire, and I can't sleep tonight. It's burning brighter. Can't put out the fire. I can't sleep tonight, it's burning brighter. I'm so tired, but I can't put out the fire. Because I had a starting off point, I had an idea to work for. I could go with the flow so much better, and all of the creative choices that I could make, all of the tools that I had access to, all of the knowledge that I have, was all in service of the idea. When I started this challenge, I genuinely thought that I was just going to watch a few John Mayer interviews, find a few bits of advice, try them out, and write a song. But as you should be able to tell from watching this video, writing the song wasn't the hard part. And that's the thing that I've learned from John Mayer making this video, is the importance of the idea. Because the idea is the thing that's gonna inform the creative choices that you make. It doesn't even matter if it's something that's really simple and might seem insignificant, because sometimes the universe will fit inside something as simple as a glass of water. Put out the fire. I can't sleep tonight. It's burning brighter. I'm so tired, but I can't put out the fire. Sleep tonight, the flames get high.